Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and opening the updated Typescale plugin in Figma. Make sure the plugin version matches your team's standard. Select the text layers or styles you want to convert into a scale because the plugin reads selected styles as inputs. Next, set a base font size such as 16px and pick a typographic ratio, for example 1:125 or 1:25, since that ratio controls visual rhythm. Once done, press Generate to create preliminary steps for the scale. Once you have generated the raw scale, inspect each size for hierarchy, larger headings, smaller captions, and consistent body text. You should adjust the ratio or number of steps if spacing feels off, because subtle changes impact readability. Now map generated sizes to name text styles, H1, H2, body, caption, and define line height and letter spacing for each to maintain rhythm. Then apply those styles across frames and leverage auto layout to make the scale behave predictably when components resize. To finish, sync your new type styles to the shared team library so everyone uses the same scale. This preserves consistency. Test the scale across breakpoints and resize scenarios because responsive needs can require alternate steps or a second scale for mobile. If things go wrong, first confirm the plugin version and that you actually selected the correct layers or styles before generating. Mismatches usually come from wrong selections or outdated plugin builds. Finally, document the base size and ratio so others replicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.